Hi, I'm Dr. David Cosgrave and welcome to the Exam Performance Institute. You will never have as much free time as you do right now in college. However, unfortunately, many students are very inefficient with their time, especially when it comes to exam preparation. We waste a lot of time when it comes to studying or not studying, and then we wonder what more we could have done in terms of our exam results. We want to change that, and I promised you at the outset of this exam performance system that I would help you in terms of becoming more efficient and effective when it came to studying, saving you time by focusing only on the important content that was going to help you maximize your results. Unfortunately, students are not accountable when it comes to the use of their time. You've never measured how you spend your time before. And the best way of illustrating this point to you is just how much time you waste every day mindlessly scrolling through social media. All you have to do right now is go to your usage statistics on your phone and you'll see just how much time you've spent wasted on social media. Mindlessly scrolling, your screen time every day, and the average that you've had over the past week. I encourage you to do that now and shock yourself into the realization just how much time you're wasting every day. I want you to put this time to better use. I am proposing that you track your time. You'll see underneath this video that there's a PDF. This PDF asks you to track the use of your time over a 24-hour period. I'm asking you to do this for the course of a week. And the reason why I'm asking you to do this is just so you see how inefficient you are with your time. So not just the mindless scrolling on your social media, on your phone, but also in other areas of your daily activities where you are very inefficient with your use of time. So download that PDF and fill it out every day. You'll see that it's a breakdown of your time on an hour-by-hour basis. By being accountable for your time, it is going to make you realize just how inefficient you are with it. And once you start to see how much time you're actually wasting, it is going to give you a lot more time to help you with your exam preparation, because you're going to realize I'm wasting huge amounts of time on things that are irrelevant or things that are not helping me in any way. Time is a man-made concept. So instead of having one day consisting of 24 hours, we can break that down further into 3 days of 6 hours with designated time of 6 hours for sleep. Now, some people like to sleep 8 hours a day. A lot of high performance people, including famously Arnold Schwarzenegger, the Terminator, legendary bodybuilder and former governor of California, he says people should just sleep a little faster. And I agree with him. 6 hours is plenty enough time, especially when you're young and in college, to be able to maximize your performance. Measure your time within each of those days. The reason why we're breaking it into 3 days is that you're going to compound your effort even more. Instead of taking 24 hours to do something, if you're breaking down priority tasks into 3 days as opposed to one, it's going to compound your effort. Instead of having 1 day's work done, you're going to do 3 days' work, or at least achieve 3 particular objectives in 1 day, as opposed to just a single objective being reached. Over time and throughout the semester, this is going to compound massively in your favor and allow you to achieve higher levels of results. After you've discovered how inefficient you are, or after you've tracked your time, I want you to identify within those lists or within those PDFs, what are you going to replace that wasted time with? How are you going to replace that wasted time with actions that are going to contribute positively towards maximizing your exam results? That's the next element of time management tracking. We're identifying the areas where you're wasting your time, and then we're going to replace those areas of wasted time with efforts that are going to help you achieve the results you want. I'm not saying that you have to use all of this extra time specifically for studying only. These extra areas are going to free up time that you can do for other things that you enjoy doing. Maybe that's going to the gym or spending time with loved ones or friends. It doesn't all have to be about studying, but you will recognize from this time management tracking that you are hopelessly inefficient with your time. I don't say this to be harsh on you, because this is a problem not just with college students, but with adults in general. And being accountable for my time and tracking my time in this way was one of the best exercises that I've ever done as an adult. It allowed me to be much more efficient in terms of making sure that I was hitting my targets and my objectives every day, because if you're not being efficient with your time, you cannot achieve things in the way that you could if you're maximizing your time. So download the PDF, identify where you're wasting your time, and identify the habits that you're going to replace that wasted time with. Whether it's exam preparation, whether it's spending time with friends or loved ones, or whether it's doing something like going to the gym and getting in better shape. I'll see you in the next video.